A bit of theory today. This is the highlight node. Plug it into a character and put a blank layer into the mat, do a little bit of scribbling, and it lights up. Nice. Although a built-in node, it is actually itself made of smaller parts that we can build from the ground up with other components. Doing so should give us a bit of a deeper understanding on the node compositing workflow, because in reality, the highlight is just a glow with an inverted cutter. Here's the shadow, and I can't confirm it, but it seems to quite literally just be a matte blur with some presets. But even the matte blur can be broken down further if you consider a color card with its position on Z set to 0, sent through an inverted cutter and blurred. It means even my favorite node of all, the glow, is basically the same thing again, with a blending mode thrown in the middle, which seems to be screen, maybe? Probably not quite. It does seem like there's some other code going on back there, because the glow allows this amplification to happen if I reapply it, whereas using my pseudo method, not so much. Getting to its raw parts means though that I can experiment with different kinds of glows that I wouldn't be able to access normally by shifting it to different blending options. So the moral of this story is me hammering into you the sheer scale of what can be built with nodes. With only a few simple blocks, combining them in creative ways allows you to achieve almost any goal. Emphasized all the more that even some of the base tools provided are themselves a simple combination of already existing pieces. So experiment. Try different orders and different combinations, pack them into groups and use them as your own pre-made nodes. And most importantly, send me your creations. I want to see what interesting contraptions this community is capable of. Also, quick note that I am available for personal tuition, so if you're a student or perhaps you're gearing up for a job that's going to be using Harmony and you need to brush up on any particular skills, please do inquire with the business email in the description, and we'll see if I'm able to help you out. Hope to hear from you if that's something that may interest you.